You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm spend my life.
Good morning, me and Morgan. It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So on today's vlog, I will be doing a maintenance vlog. I need to go get my nails done. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip from the other day. I already did my eyebrows, as y'all can see, and did a little dermaplaning. I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip. Okay, y'all, so I'm just pulling my hair up to keep it out of my face, because I'm gonna go ahead and wax my eyebrows. As y'all can see, let me zoom in. My eyebrows need doing, my mustache, lip stash, whatever you want to call it, needs doing. I'm gonna shave my face. I will be going out of town one day this week, so I'm just trying to pamper myself, clean myself up, because I want to be cute, you know. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I had already did this eyebrow off camera, if you can see the difference. And I don't never wax up here because I don't know, it's like my eyebrows don't never grow, so I really don't like to wax up here. Just about to take the tweezers, and what I missed with the wax, I'm gonna clean up. So yeah, let's get ready to wax this face. I think I like to use for that is I like to put coconut oil on my face. I know some people use coconut oil, aloe vera gel, but I'm gonna use coconut oil because the aloe vera gel, it broke out my face the last time I done it. And to be honest, y'all, that was back in June around my birthday time, and my face haven't been right since then. And I'm not lying, because that was the around the time when my face was like flourishing, but my face ain't been right since then. I'm not even capping, like, I'm for real. Like, between these masks, look, I hear my cycle on, so that friend want to come. But yeah, my face ain't been right. Like, my skin is not terrible, but I haven't had this many outbreaks on my face. Like, I never had outbreaks like this. Like, I had like a little bump here and there, and it wouldn't leave no scarring or nothing, but child, so like when I hit 30, my face just, I don't know. But yeah, we about to do the dermaplaning stuff. Okay, y'all, so I have finished not waxing, shaping my face. But yeah, so yeah, I'm done with that. And so now we're here. So now today is Tuesday. I'm gonna go get my nails done. I want to do some kind of like self-care. I want to get me like a new mask. I need to shave my legs. This maintenance vlog is, you know, because stuff needs to be done, and I'm also going out of town this week on Thursday. So I kind of wanted to pamper myself, and I'm gonna take out my twists, and I'm gonna kind of style my hair in some type of way for Thursday. I will catch back up with y'all once I get to the nail place. You know that guy is looking at me like I'm crazy.
You have stand, so you can put a stand. You don't have to hold.
Yeah, I got a stand.
You have a stand, yeah, put a stand.
I don't know if it's gonna fit. That's why I didn't.
You can put it on TikTok or
YouTube.
YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no problem, okay. Nào đúng là nó phải hỏi mình đó. Say something, so they know what you're doing.
Oh, I already told them what I'm coming here to do.
Oh.
Just give me a pill.
Okay. So what's your channel name?
It's called Bianca Shanice.
Oh. How many subscribers you have? Okay, I give you a subscribe, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me know your, and then I'll watch and then I give you subscribe, okay?
Okay.
No problem. A lot of people, you know, they do YouTube, you know. Some people they make good money too, you know.
Yeah, they do.
Some people they just do for fun, you know.
Yeah.
But somehow they have a lot of followers and a lot of subscribers. They make good money. It's okay. Do whatever you like. Pictures I don't want to invest, you know, good equipment, you know.
Yeah.
I just invest the basic one first, you know, to try how they work first, you know.
Right.
4K video, 4K. Oh. Cam, you have fly cam?
What's that?
Fly cam, that means your camera, you fly up high, you record the view from
Like
the
the drone thing?
drone. Drone.
Oh no, I don't have one of them.
No, not expensive. They cheap.
I like that though. Like when you go on vacation and stuff, I want that and a
easy to
GoPro. I want one of those, like, you know, when you underwater and stuff.
Yeah.
Different good shot.
Easy to fly. They start out about clear pink first, okay?
Okay. get French tip, but I had it in years.
Oh, gee, you get the pink, the pink looking up thing. How it look like? You know, the background of the nails pink.
Is it pink? Is it pink looking? The background?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit, not much.
Okay.
A little bit
It's like
pink.
a light pink.
Light pink, not pink, you know.
I was looking at some nails like that yesterday. I said, French is good.
Mm-hmm. Because I was going to either do that or white, but I haven't had white since last year.
See, I just had white Valentine's.
Chiều quê hai đứa hay vui đùa em cánh cò.
Hey,
Tell me who you are.
to Shayla, your cousin, slash your bestie.
Puzzle piece.
Puzzle piece, oh yes. We need to get an upgrade.
Yes. We have to show them how it works.
Because I always get people like, you know, what does that mean? What does that mean? I be like, it's really for autism. But you know what? Remember after we got them, that's when we found out.
We're supposed to, because I think we're supposed to get some color to them.
We can. Maybe get them to revamp. Because you know, baby, that one I got on my chest, baby, that was the, I was like, I can't take it no more.
We got that done at the same time,
I
too?
think so. We did, yeah. You was a trooper, baby, not me. I said no. And then I think where I messed up at because I was drinking.
Pretty. Now we're gonna show them our
Our puzzle piece, yeah.
So this what it. Mine's so light. They didn't do go over mine. Cause you see, and they were like right there.
Oh yeah, it's fading.
But yours still look dark.
Mm-hmm.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
I'm back home from getting my nails done and getting some errands done. I just went to Walmart. And y'all, these are my nails. Cute. I just went to Walmart and I picked up a few things, and I picked up this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydro Gel Mask. I just picked up these necklaces. As y'all may know, my skin has been doing what it's wanting to do, and I've been having like dark spots. So I seen this and I just said, let me give it a try. I love Butterfingers. I've been falling in love with these lately. Don't need it, but I just got this cute little bag. It was on sale for like $7.50. And y'all know, well, I don't know if y'all know, but I've been wanting to try this out, you know, for when your cycle come on. So I will be trying this. I'm just getting ready to get my clothes out, because this also gonna be like a little mini pack with me. I'm just gonna be gone for a day. So yeah, and I want y'all to stay tuned for upcoming vlogs, because I will be going out of town and I can't wait to show y'all where I'm going, what I'm gonna be doing. But I want y'all to stay tuned for that. But I'm just, you know, doing like a little pamper, self-care, maintenance, you know, to myself. Figure out what I'm going to wear, and then I'm going to do like a facial, soak in the tub again, shave, and do all that. And I will hop back up here when I'm getting ready to do that. Okay, y'all, I done took out my 2-strand twist. I don't know if this is how I'm gonna style my hair for tomorrow, but if I do, I'm gonna take some of it down because I want some more to like kind of hang. Cause yeah, this is how I, you know, think I want to wear it. Cause I'm not good at styling, and I wouldn't mind like doing it all up, but I feel like my hair is still like, I mean, it's long enough, but I don't know. I think I like some of it down. But I was supposed to shave my legs, shape up under my arms, but I have to go to work today at 4 o'clock, so I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do that before I go to work. But yeah, tomorrow I'll just probably like take some more hair down, sleep my little edges down, and that's what it's gonna be. Yeah, but yeah, my hair has really like grew. It's really great. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I just wanted to hop on and end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.
It goes on.